Hi, Renee. It was good talking to you on the phone the other day. Here's that video that I promised to send over talking about how to get some more customers using a website rather than paying Home Advisor. I'm just going to jump right in. So this is a tool that we use. It's called Ahrefs. It's kind of expensive, but basically what it does for me is I type in the keywords that I want to focus on. For this, it was concrete Portland. And it spits out all of these words that people are searching for that have concrete and Portland in them. Right here in this column is volume. That tells me how many people every month on average are searching for this using Google. And then over here, this KD number, it shows me how difficult it would be to get on the first page of Google. So these are two very important metrics. I'm going to focus right now on this one here, Concrete Portland, Oregon. 150 people are searching for that exact phrase every month in Google, and it has a KD of only 3. So that tells me it's going to be quick and easy to rank at the top of Google search results. So if I go over here, I'll show you exactly what that looks like. Oh, right here. So 150 people are typing Concrete Portland, Oregon into Google every single month. And this is what shows up for them when they do that. We have the ads up here. Most people skip past these because they see it says ad and they don't want to be advertised to. So they skip right past that and they head right over to here. Now this is the map pack. This is one place we definitely want to show up, is right here. This is the first map listing, but that's not even the best spot to be in. This gets good visitors, but down here, this is the most coveted spot here. This is where you want to be. 31% of people who come to this page statistically are going to come here. So 31 out of every 100 are going to be clicking on this link right here. Because this is a Yelp page and this is a Home Advisor page, I'm going to actually compare you to this guy right here, because if we can outdo him and we can do a good enough job, we'll get past these guys too. But this is a good one to compare you to because he's local. So that's what we're going to be doing. And how we go about getting into this spot right here is slightly different than how we would go about getting into this spot right here. And I'll go over all of that. In order to get into the map pack to the top of here, what we want to do is go out and get what are called citations. These are anytime that your company's name, address, and phone number, exactly as it's listed on your Google My Business page, which I wasn't able to find either. Normally, if you type in your name and the area, you'll get a result right here that shows up showing like a couple pictures and it says your company's name, address, phone number. That's a citation, but you don't have it set up, so but that would be a really quick and easy thing to do for you. And we could talk about us being able to help you with that just as a quick little project. But what that would do is allow you to show up here in this pack, and then you go out and you contact different websites, directories like Whitebook, Yellowbook, City Star, Yext, even Facebook actually has an area where you can input your information, your name, address, and phone number. And then what that does is it's a vote of confidence. It tells Google this is a good business and they do good work. So you end up at the top of here if you have lots of these citations and you want to go and get reviews, and Google uses that to determine who to put up at the top as well. So contacting people who you've worked for in the past who liked your work, you could send them a link to put in a review, and that will help you get to the top as well. Then down here, how you go about getting into this spot right here. Well, first of all, you definitely need a website. And that is also another fairly easy fix. It is a little more expensive, but getting a website up is a very important part of this process. So let's check out these guys because they're doing the best on the Google organic results. So they've got, you know, a number up here. I'd say you'd want to have a number that's bigger than this. You'd want it to take up a good chunk of space like this. And then it should be click to call. Someone should be able to click on that and call you up on their mobile phone. And then, you know, I like that they have big pictures and stuff, but this is not a great website. So what that tells me is that they're going to be easy to beat. With a bit of effort from my team, I'm certain we could outdo them within 6 months. So yeah, so that's basically what we do, how we would go about it. And then there is backlinks. So I'm going to show you that real fast, one last thing before I let you go. So backlinks are anytime that a website has a link to your website. So for instance, if you went to Facebook and you shared your website on there, that would be a backlink. It would be a link going from somewhere to your website. And you want to get good backlinks that are relevant to your industry. So it acts as a vote of confidence. It tells Google that your business is legitimate and relevant to its searchers. But not all backlinks are created equal, and it's better to have backlinks from sites that are trusted by Google as well as sites that are related to your industry, because they show more relevance and authority in Google's eyes. So the Rose City Concrete Repair, your competition there, they only have 54 backlinks. So that's actually going to be pretty easy to beat, like I said. Their DR rating, and I know this doesn't mean anything to you, but I'm looking at that and I'm seeing this is a very low number. So again, we can beat them very easily. So if you are interested in creating a web page and getting seen on Google, getting those leads coming in and getting those jobs from online, it would be a project that is absolutely possible. So we are going to be looking to work with someone in your area who does concrete, because this does show a lot of promise and we could make someone quite a bit of money. So if you want that to be you, then let's meet and go over your options and talk about your goals for your business. Okay, great. So here is my information. You can call me here at this number, 657-332-1960, or you can email me, oceana@g3.agency, or you can reply to the email that I sent you this video in. So thank you so much, Renee, and I will talk to you soon.